Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. And welcome to our tutorial on secure authentication and authorization in Node.js applications. Authentication is the process of verifying the identity of a user. In Node.js, we typically use strategies like JWT, JSON Web Tokens, for this purpose. Let's take a look at how we can implement JWT-based authentication in a Node.js application. Authorization, on the other hand, determines the actions a user is allowed to perform after authentication. In Node.js, we can use middleware to enforce authorization rules. Let's see how we can enforce authorization in a Node.js application using middleware. And that's it for our tutorial on secure authentication and authorization in Node.js applications. By implementing these practices, you can ensure that your Node.js applications are secure and only accessible to authorized users. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more web development tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.